17 note-taking tips to maximize your productivity. My name is Prithviraj and let's get right into it. First up is choosing the right note-taking app. There are plenty of apps in the market with its own unique capabilities. There are two types of note-taking apps. First being the text-based note-taking apps and the other one being the handwritten note-taking apps. If you need help finding the best note-taking app for yourself, then I've created videos for both text-based and handwritten note-taking apps. We'll leave their links in the description, you can check them out. But for now, I'd like to suggest a few popular ones. You can try out Notion, OneNote or Evernote if you're into text-based note-taking. Else you can check out GoodNotes on Notability for handwritten notes. Set clear objectives. Define the purpose of your notes before you start. Knowing what you want to achieve with each note will help you stay focused. Whether you're taking book notes or simply noting down your ideas, have a clear goal in mind. You won't have to waste time daydreaming after opening your notes app that way. Keep it simple. Avoid overly complex formatting. You don't have to overthink it. A clean and straightforward note structure is easier to read and manage. I used to face this issue myself. I used to overthink on how I want my page to look and other stuff. But in the end, it was just about how informative your note is, rather than how pretty it looks. Capture and organize quickly. Whenever you have a new idea or information to note, do it promptly. Most note-taking apps allow you to quickly jot down ideas with minimal effort, even when you're on the go. Later, organize these notes into relevant categories. I always create a segment called Quick Notes in every note-taking app that I use. They can be really helpful. If you are using a Mac, check out this app called Quick Draft. It will sit on your Finder bar and you can quickly store anything you want over there. Super fast and easy. Automation. Explore automation options like scripting or macros to perform repetitive tasks automatically. For example, Notion has this feature called formulas. It can help you keep track and calculate your expenses automatically. Can be a really helpful feature if you're able to master it well. I do plan on creating a dedicated video on Notion formulas, so make sure you're subscribed for that. Voice recognition. Use the voice to text features to quickly dictate your notes when typing isn't really convenient. There is an app called Auto. It allows you to take notes by your voice. If you feel lazy to type, then this can come in really handy. Evernote also has similar features with audio recordings. Shorten your notes. Keep your notes concise and to the point to save time during review. Many times while revising, you might just feel lazy and skip a few lines. Don't do that. Rather, you can create and store summaries of your longer notes. Just use ChatGPT for that. You will be able to avoid that unnecessary hard work that way. Organize your notes. I learned this the hard way. Please create a clear organizational system. Use folders, notebooks, or tags to categorize your notes, making it easy to find and access information when needed. Do this as soon as you start on your note-taking app. Else, down the line, it's really gonna be difficult to manage when you have hundreds of notes lying around. Consistent organization is the key for boosting productivity. Use bullet points. Lists and bullets can actually make your notes scannable and organized, and thereby making the revision process much more intuitive. Will be easier for you to access your notes and get your desired info that way. Rather, the human mind gets hooked when they see some sort of a list, as you get to know the final destination that way. Take a look at this video itself. The timer up there will keep reminding you that there is an upcoming destination, and simply enjoy the journey. I almost forgot to mention this at the start. Offline reading. Many notes apps like Notion requires an internet connection even to load up. If you often have to access your notes in areas where you might not have internet access, in an airplane for example, you should consider apps that work without the internet. Your default notes app are actually good enough, be it Apple Notes or Samsung Notes. Handwriting recognition. If you prefer handwritten notes, choose an app with good handwriting recognition capabilities. Many note-taking apps allow you to convert your handwritten notes into text. Make sure you take the full advantage of that. Nebo and Notability are certain apps that allow you to do so. Utilize templates. Many note-taking apps offer templates for various purposes such as meeting notes, to-do lists, project planning and more. Check out these templates to save time and also maintain a structured format with your notes. Templates can be super useful. Use multimedia. Modern note-taking apps often support multimedia elements like images, audio recordings and even videos. While using them on your computer, you can simply copy-paste your photos into your notes app without having to save them. And speaking about computer, make sure you sync across all devices. Ensure that your note-taking app of choice syncs seamlessly across all the devices you use. This way you will be able to access your notes wherever you are and keep your workflow uninterrupted and convenient. Use widgets and shortcuts. Many note-taking apps offer widgets that allow you to see and interact with your notes directly from your device's home screen. For example, if you double tap on your iPad with the Apple Pencil, it will directly open up the Notes app. Similarly, I have assigned this shortcut on my MacBook. When I take my cursor to the bottom right, it will automatically load up a blank note for me. This helps me speed up my workflow with zero resistance. Integration with other apps. Many note-taking apps integrates well with other productivity tools such as calendars and task management apps. Make sure you take full advantage of that. It will allow you to create new calendar events and tasks directly from your Notes app. Many note-taking apps like Notion and Evernote has this feature called the Web Clipper. You can add all these extensions on your web browser. What they allow you to do is that you can directly save an article into your Notes app. That way you will also be able to go through a cleaner version of the article without any ads and distractions. Search and tag effectively. Make the most of the search functionality within your note-taking app. Simply use keywords and tags to help you find specific notes quickly. The ability to search effectively effectively reduces the time spent shifting through different notes. Apps like Obsidian really have a powerful search feature. You can also interlink notes over there. Also, I recommend you implement the tagging system. Adding tags will help you organize and search your notes more effectively. Now, if you would like to know what my 3 most favorite productivity apps are, then click here. You'll definitely find something useful there. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you there.